Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, today I have a Dune Buggy. This is the Feiyue, I think that's how you pronounce it, FYO3H. It is a metal, aluminum chassis. Am I saying that right? Aluminum chassis on this thing, and which is different. Most of these RC cars are made out of plastic. And guess what? This one's made out of plastic, but it's got aluminum around it. And it has a brushless motor, and it's got some pretty awesome shocks here. Check this out. It can really go over a lot of bumps. It's got a crawler mode and it's got a speed mode. So I'll show you that now. We're going to take it around. It's winter here, snow, it's cold. There's somebody over there learning how to drive. So they might drive over my little Dune Buggy, but I'll try to avoid them. So let's go check this out. All right, here we go. I've got this on crawler mode right now. So it's made for like going over little rocks and stuff. Nothing exciting. All this white stuff you see on the ground is actually just salt. All right, so let me show you on here really quick. I like to do my videos pretty fast. So they have this little keys and you take it out of crawler mode. And I guess they call it children's mode, which is kind of funny. It's actually crawler mode. And there we go. Now I'm into sport mode. So they call this like for adult mode. Go, let's whip it down here and see how it goes. That does have some power. Now I'm using here the battery in here right now is a lithium ion, and I'm going to upgrade it to a LiPo battery. It's only a 2-cell, but here's what I've noticed with this thing already is it's got so much power, and the road here is filled with salt and slippery that I can't get any traction. There's full blast. Oh, better stop. Oh, good brakes. That thing picks up a lot of speed, and that's with the lithium ion. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick a GoPro on the front so you can see what this sees as it's driving. GoPro's on the front, so let's take it out. Stick! Okay, I'm on full speed. If it crashes down, that's full speed. Put the brakes on. That's full speed, heading towards that stick. Brakes. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to change this battery out here. It's the battery that came with it, 2-cell lithium ion. Now a LiPo battery is better, but I have a 3-cell. Now I don't know if this will go on fire if I put a 3-cell in it, but I'm going to give it a shot. All right, I don't know if this will work. I've got a 3-cell battery in it right in there, and it's either going to work or not work. Oh, looks like it's going to work with a 3-cell. All right, 3-cell is going to go massively fast, so we have to be careful here. Now, before I show you the Dune Buggy driving with a 3-cell battery, let me show you a super quick unboxing, and I mean super quick. Check this out. And now a quick unboxing of this Desert Eagle Dune Buggy. Take off the styrofoam top, and inside we have the contents. Here we have the controller. I'll have to check that out. And here we have the actual Dune Buggy itself. And look at that, it's very compact. Metal. Metal. I don't have any RC vehicles that are metal, so this is new to me. And there's a massive suspension system on here. I just have to cut these little pieces of plastic. Looking on the side, you can see there's a little pilot inside and a little bit of graphics. A little fire extinguisher back here. It actually seems like it's well made, especially with the metal. I still got the styrofoam all over the wheels. On the bottom, let's see what we have. Not much there. Can see that it's 4-wheel drive. I turned these. You can see the whole system works the front wheels as well. There's an interesting spring system in the front. See the red right there? If I push up and down, you can see it working. It's on a different sort of angle. I haven't seen that in quite some time. And on the back, you have your normal shock system right here. This is a lithium ion 7.4 volt 1500 milliamp battery, and a 7.4 volt would be a 2-cell battery. Also in the box you get a spare tire for the back. You also get a battery charger here. Down here we have a massive manual, and there's even a set of keys down here. Here you can see the tool set that comes with it. You can take your wheels on and off with that thing. A few other things will come off. There's these little pinion gears. Normally you have pinion gears if you're trying to increase the speed of the actual RC vehicle. Finally down here you get a pile of little stickers that you can put on your car to make it very unique in yours. And what's this? Oh, this is your battery charging system. That's not in my language. There's my language right here. Now if you're wondering in length how long this is, let's see in inches. It looks like it's about 15 inches long, and across you would get about about 9.5 inches across, I would say. Ground clearance looks to be about maybe 3 inches, 2.5 inches, yeah, someplace in there. Oh, this thing is a monster with 3-cell on it. Let's see. Let's go this way then. See if I could try to keep it going, not crashing. 3-cell power, full speed, full speed, full speed, brakes, and hey, it landed straight up. Head over to my car. It'll full blast. And I got the brakes. Oh, she does it again. Okay, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with this thing. This is actually a blast. I thought it would be like a toy, but you could actually have a lot of fun. And look at it. I banged it around and it's still in really good shape. All right, let's see how it does on this jump over there. Full blast. Well, it's still going. It's not what I had in mind. Oh, well, look at that. It drives on the snow, no problem. Look at that. No problems in the snow there. Let's take it over here. Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Try to bring it back to me full speed without crashing it. There it is, full speed. Oh, I forgot about this thing here. All right, don't smash into them. So that was a Dune Buggy. What did you think? I thought it was really good. I don't know a lot about RC cars. I'm learning and learning as I go. And the way I learn is by smashing the hell out of them. I'm gonna have to stop that. You know those cement curves? I don't know how many videos, maybe you haven't seen them all, but I keep hitting the freaking cement curve and breaking something. So yeah, I gotta watch for that. Really good buggy as far as I can tell from a guy who flies drones. I really like this. It held up well. I did smash the front, the little plastic bumper. The parts are on Banggood, so I'm gonna order myself another little plastic bumper. And I'll be good to go for the summertime, bombing around and smashing this all over the place. So I'm looking forward to that. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video of this Dune Buggy. It's a really good deal for what you get. Then again, I really don't know a lot about RC cars, but I'm learning. So yeah, to me it seems like a good deal. But what do I know? I'm just a drone guy. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video where we'll have drones and whatnot. And look at my hand, that's for walking and retrieving this thing in the bushes. But yeah, catch you in the next video. Take care.